Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Loews Royal Pacific Resort, one of the 3 premier on-site properties at Universal Orlando. So come with me today as we check out this beautiful hotel. We'll begin our tour of Loews Royal Pacific Resort by checking out the main lobby area. We'll look at the Vacation Planning Center as well as the quick service location. We'll also take a look at the lobby lounge, the main check-in area, and also a beautiful outdoor courtyard. Then we'll head up to do an interior room tour before coming back down to the lobby on the lower level, looking at 2 restaurants, and then heading out to check out the main pool area as well as a gift shop, the fitness center, and also the location of the on-site Wantalon Luau. Royal Pacific is themed after the Pacific Islands, and I love the laid-back tropical vibe here. But one of my favorite elements of this hotel is its proximity to the theme parks as well as to City Walk. You're only a 5 to 7 minute walk away from the 2 main theme parks, and you also have water taxi service if you prefer not to walk. In addition to the great location, another huge perk that's included with your stay at Royal Pacific is Unlimited Express Pass. Unlimited Express Pass allows you to skip the standby line at most attractions an unlimited amount of times, as long as you have valid theme park admission. Early entry is also included in the cost of your stay. With valid theme park admission, you can enter the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Universal's Volcano Bay Water theme park before they open to regular day guests. Another great perk of working with Marvelous Mouse Travels is that even if you're not planning a stay at an on-site hotel like this, you can still get early entry included with a ticket-only purchase through our agency. This is a perk that's not available on the Universal website, but our special relationship with Universal allows us to offer this perk at no additional charge. As we enter the main lobby and turn to our left, we can see the Vacation Planning Center as well as luggage services. The Vacation Planning Center is where you would go to pick up previously purchased tickets. Past that, off to our right, we can see the concierge desk as well as the main check-in area. Past the check-in desk is the Tuk Tuk Market, which is the primary grab-and-go and quick service location on site. It's also the home of the Starbucks. The views from the Eden area here are absolutely beautiful, and be sure to pay special attention to these windows because you're going to see them from the other perspective when we go outside later to check out this cabana space. Almost every booth space here has a conveniently located outlet with USB charging ports. Off to the right from the main entrance is Tokyo Gifts as well as a public restroom area and also the Orchid Court Lounge and Sushi Bar. Orchid Court also has convenient charging stations at the tables as well as at the bar area. One of my favorite elements of the lobby is this relaxing outdoor courtyard space. We're now going to take you up into Tower 2 and show you an interior room tour of the room that we stayed in while we were here. For this stay, we booked a standard view king room, which obviously featured a king-size bed, as well as a bathroom with a single sink and a walk-in shower. I like the layout of this bathroom area, and the finishes are beautiful. Really, my only complaint about the bathroom is the same complaint that I have about the bathrooms at all of the on-site Universal hotels, and that's that they don't feature vent fans. So if you like a really warm shower, sometimes it can get a little humid in the room. There is a door separating the toilet and the shower from the sink area, which is really nice when you're getting ready and you'd like some privacy. There's also a lot of really great lighting around this mirror. Just outside the bathroom is a closet, which also houses a safe as well as a full-size iron and ironing board. And just off to the left of the closet, even though you can't see it in this shot, there is actually an adjoining door between our room and the room next to us. So if you need adjoining rooms for your party, that can be accommodated at Royal Pacific. Standard king rooms like this can sleep up to 3 guests with the addition of a rollaway bed, which will be an additional surcharge nightly over and above the room rate. Standard 2 queen rooms can sleep up to 5 guests with a rollaway bed, and if you need accommodations for an even larger party, there are several suite-style options, including kids' suites, which are themed after Jurassic World. If you have children traveling with you, you'll probably appreciate the soft close feature on the doors as well as the drawers of this main storage cabinet. We're now back in the main lobby, and we're going to head down to the lower level to check out some of the restaurants that are located there. Located on this level are the Islands Dining Room as well as Jake's American Bar. Just outside the Islands and Jake's American Bar is a walkway leading to the pool. Located near the pool are the game room as well as the Mariners Club, which is the kids' club on site. Also located near the pool is another gift shop, which had a nice selection of resort-branded merchandise. Just down from the entrance to the gift shop is the fitness center. We're going to continue our tour of the exterior of the resort by walking along the path that leads to the site of the Wantalon Luau. The Wantalon Luau is offered on Saturday evenings, and it's a traditional luau featuring an all-you-can-eat buffet. The Wantalon Luau is fun for the whole family. And speaking of things that are fun for the whole family, Royal Pacific is also the home to the Despicable Me character breakfast. You can have breakfast with Minions every Saturday morning. Here's the other side of those windows in the dining area at Tuk Tuk Market. On the front side of the property, off to the right from the main lobby area, you'll see the garden walkway, which will lead to City Walk as well as to the two main theme parks at Universal. This beautifully landscaped walkway will have you at the parks in 5 to 7 minutes, but if you'd prefer not to walk, you can also take the water taxi. If you're headed to Universal's Volcano Bay water theme park, then bus shuttle transportation is provided. There is a lot to love about Loews Royal Pacific Resort. It's beautifully themed, it's conveniently located to the theme parks, and it includes early entry and unlimited express pass in the cost of your stay. If you're considering a trip to Universal Orlando, my planning services are completely free to you if you book your vacation through me at the same price as booking it on Universal's website. Marvelous Mouse Travels was recently named by Universal as the #1 agency in the country. So when you book with us, you know you're working with an expert. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.